Welcome to my channel where I bring Hmong creations to you. So today I'm going to be showing you a custom order request that I got from a customer. I am going to be making a tutu dress with the Hmong Shea. It's a little bit different, so I thought I'd show you guys how I make this style. And so first you'll need is a piece of, it's a rectangle, okay? So a rectangle piece of fabric that you'll be folding in half for the Shea. You'll need the middle part ribbon for the Shea, and then you need two rectangles for the top part. You'll need another two pieces of fabric, and you'll need two pieces of ribbon, okay, and a tutu dress. I have one already kind of made, and you'll also need a long pink sash. So this is a little bit addition to anything you've seen on my page, so stay tuned to see what I do with this pink sash. Okay, so first I'm going to finish this tutu just to show you guys how to do a tutu. Again, you can definitely YouTube or Google any video to help you start your tutu. But if you are interested, I can definitely make a video. Just comment below and I will be happy to make you one. So first, all you need to do is very simple. You have your tulle and you fold it in half, and then all you do is you want to stick it under, and you see this loop here. You'll pull it around and pull it up, and then there you go. You have your completed tutu. So with the Shea, it's very simple. You have a rectangle piece and you just fold it in half, the good side inside and then the wrong side on the outside, and you just sew along the back, okay, just to close it up. Open it up just like that, okay, kind of fold it down. You can definitely iron it if you want, but I usually don't iron it, okay. So you fold it like that, and then you want to sew along right here at the top, okay. You can iron it or you can just sew it on, okay. So I will be using this trim here, and I'll fold it down. So again, I left a little space up here, so I'm going to fold it down just to show this part, okay. Don't forget to do that. Alright, so there you have your cute little shade that will go in the front. Next, we're going to make the shirt part. So you have, again, your two straps and your two pieces. So what one piece will be is the top, and then the other piece will be the back. Okay, so all you do is, I'm going to make a crisscross shirt is what it's going to look like. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to sew the pattern, the piece of fabric on first. Okay, so you just kind of line it to where you want it. And you just sew along the edges. I'm going to sew on the strings first so they're even. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put this other fabric, the good side on the inside, okay, together, and then sew along the top. So I'm going to go bottom, side, top, down, and I'm going to leave a little hole just like I did the other outfit. Zigzagged everything, you just want to flip it inside out. So then you want to sew this pink sash part just the same as you sewed the Shea, and you flip it inside out. And then you just want to sew everything together. So there you go, you have your beautiful outfit with the beautiful pink sash that can be tied around in the back. Thank you for watching again, where I bring Hmong creations to you.